is very unique because it is my very first experience to become a sculptor of pandas. We are going to increase our trade, firstly. Secondly, we can increase the cooperation in culture, in tourism, in clever agriculture industry, in ecological businesses, in many fields. This is my first panda. I made it in my life.
We have many things in common. Despite the fact of being so distant one from each other, we share a lot of things. I am really enjoying what we are doing here, and I'm very thankful for the people of Sichuan, so warm, and all the courtesies that you are extending to us, and the possibility of experiences firsthand your culture, and it's really something that, without doubt, it brings countries together.
It's very different, and it's very creative, and also it's something that we don't see usually. Yes, these kind of crafts are very unique.